Next obstacle is what can you handle the whole business alone, or you need to appoint someone? Okay, this is something which comes by experience as you're in the business. Obviously, when you start out, you are the only one. You are very possessive about your plan. You want to do everything yourself because you're looking for, everything needs to be perfect. Everything what goes out needs to be perfect. But slowly, as you grow, you will realize that it's starting to burn you out. If you are spending 10 hours to do something, that time can be reduced to a great extent just by appointing the right people to do something that you are not enjoying doing. Suppose you are somebody who enjoys baking, then you can appoint someone to help you with your social media or packaging or say just taking the orders, right? Just somebody who takes the orders and passes it on to you so that you can bake. You have to figure out what you really enjoy doing, and so that you can do it at your best, and hire somebody who you think can handle the work, maybe not 100% as good as you, but still 80% as well. So that will give you more time to do something that you really like doing and which is good for the business. Right. So you can reach out initially. You will be doing everything by yourself, obviously, because you don't know what you need help with. But as you grow, you need to learn to delegate. Delegation is very important for a growing business. If you're seeing it as a hobby, if you're doing something that is only on weekends or in your off time, that is okay. But if it's a full-time business, you need to learn to delegate. It's going to be difficult initially, and you have to let the other person make mistakes and learn from them, and you have to just guide them. But yeah, that is something you need to figure out, that which part of the business you want to delegate and which part you want to take care of completely. And slowly you will find ease, and they will learn, maybe not as good as you, maybe as good as you, and maybe better than you, and which will be good for your business. So yes, running alone a business is not something that you can think of long term. It can be for a month or two, for 6 months, but as time passes by, as your customers grow, you will have to hire people, and hiring is a painful process because you have to be talking to the right person at the right time. But take your time. You have to give people chances, train them, and yeah, if it clicks, it clicks. They will stick by you, and that will help your business grow.